Hello and welcome, we're out and about again. We today are in where?
Venice.
Venice. So we're going to have a wobble round and see what we can find, yeah?
Yep, right.
Cool, let's go. We've just taken the ferry boat across on the campsite.
Yeah, Fusina.
Fusina?
Something like that.
Yeah. It took us about, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, about that.
Something like that. It was pretty good, really.
Yeah, they go every hour and it costs €13 return journey for 1 day.
So, which is pretty good, I suppose.
You can get 2 days or 3 days, but we're only here for 1 day.
The thing is, it'd be a hell of a swim.
It would.
Wouldn't it, if you didn't want to...
I'd watch you, I'd stay the other side and give up on Venice.
Well, you know, my swimming style is a bit like, a sinking duck. Well, it's not good, is it?
It's better than one my swimming instructor told me years ago. And I was trying to do the crawl, but I'm hopeless at the crawl. Yeah,
me too.
And she said, you look like a drowning scarecrow.
Okay, that's, Anyway, there we go. So, we're on Venice Island. I suppose it's an island, isn't it?
Well, there's lots of islands, but yeah.
So, we're on, So, we'll just go and have a wobble round and see what we can see. So, when we get to something interesting, we'll switch back on again. Okay. Yeah, some nice boats there, Susie. Look at the quality of them.
Yeah.
Wow, that's got some lacquer on it, hasn't it?
It has.
I understand they're very, very expensive, the gondolas to go on. And
that's what we've been told.
That's what we've been told by others on YouTube. So we'll have to take their word on it. We'll find out, won't we?
Yeah.
Well, this is the other side of the bridge. Very busy, isn't it?
Very busy place.
Yes, very busy. Another little square of sorts, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a beautiful building, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Oh, there's a headless person up there, look.
Yeah. Oh, heck. And armless.
And armless. Poor thing.
He wasn't obviously very well personed when he copied the statue.
No, bits have been falling off all over the place.
Yeah.
Just hope you want underneath.
Maybe he's got leprosy.
Statue leprosy.
Hey?
Statue leprosy.
Yeah. So my plan for today, definitely my plan, is not get midged anymore. So I got midged again yesterday.
Yeah.
Is that I want a sticker from Venice, and Sue's after.
My fantasy item for today is to find a very little gondola being crewed by a teddy gondolier, roughly about 6 to 8 inches big.
Okay, so what do you think our chances are?
Slim to nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. Anyway, that's our... It's one of those things, isn't it?
Yeah.
If we can do it, we can do it.
If we won't do it.
We won't do it. Gondolas. Oh, get your rubbish taken away at the same time, look. That's a bit better that way. Right, we've just had a look at the prices. Should he be using his phone while he's driving? We'd get fined in England for that.
He would, yeah. Maybe he's lost.
So, yeah.
Anyway,
how much were they, Sue?
either €90 or €110, depending on what sort of tour you wanted.
Right, presumably on the water.
Yes, this is a gondola.
Oh, right, okay. So there we go.
Oh, there's one coming out from under us, look.
Oh. They're very pretty. aren't they? They're well
Yeah.
looked after.
If it was cheaper, I'd have a go, but I don't want to
it's
spend
gonna
that
crash.
much
It's gonna be a
money.
crash. It's going to be a crash. It's going to be a crash. Ah, missed.
Yeah, because Michael said we've got to have a cornetto and sing the song in a gondola, and I said no, I'm not spending that much money on a gondola.
If he wants to pay for us to do it, we'll do it.
We might have a cornetto and sing to ourselves, but not in a gondola.
There's gridlock over there, look. There's a big crash. Isn't it? We're going to try and find out what the problem is. Oh no, they're just flying for trade. We can't get. Oh, whether you can get.
I have no
This
idea.
is it. We're stuck.
Not be able to get one way or the other. Where are we?
Why are you asking me?
Because you might have eyes on.
It's one of the big squares. So we'll turn you around and let you have a look. It's quite an impressive thing, isn't it?
Piazza San Marco, according to that.
We are where?
Look over there, Piazza di San Marco.
Oh right, okay. And there's a big old...
I'm not very good at pronunciation.
No, it doesn't matter. Yeah, Piazza San Marco. Or something like that,
We think.
we think.
Well, that's what it says on the wall.
Yeah. Anyway, we went into a shop to get my sticker, and Sue went to pay, and the lady was on her phone and completely ignored Sue for a good 5 minutes. So we put the sticker back down and walked out. And she can stuff with €2 where the sun don't shine.
Yeah, she was very, very ignorant.
Yeah, ignorant. Because it was only after €2 too. Well, this is absolutely crazy. Well, making sure I ain't lost to Susie.
No, I'm here.
Pretty impressive buildings. Right, mate, don't worry. Yeah, it's a long way up, and I ain't going up there. So we'll just walk to the end then, Sue.
Yeah.
And we'll try and find somewhere to have some bit of something to eat. I'll sit down. This is where the gondola things are.
Yeah. Yeah, there's usually loads here, isn't there?
Yeah. It's pretty impressive, isn't it?
Wow, if that bell sounds, I think you'd hear it.
Yeah, you would, wouldn't you? Oh, look, we've even got a band here, look.
That's nice and gentle. Very refined.
And loads of pigeons.
Oh yeah. Italian pigeons there.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
yeah,
is
they've
all
got style.
Yeah, they've got style.
Well, if you want a hat, it's a place to come. I quite like a hat. Didn't used to like hats.
Wow, that's good as you come out and see all that.
Isn't it?
How lovely.
I wonder if we could walk down one of the gangways. Can't
파스 다 붙였어? 오빠한테 파스 있는데 만약에 저기라도 붙이지. 일단 걸어 올라갔다. 어제가 온다 지금. 어제가 파스 달라고 그래가지고 파스 좀 붙여. 어? 어제가 지금? 아 이거 쳤어. 야 너 파스 있지? 파스
That's a hell of a view.
Isn't it? Oh, there's your bridge of doodads.
Bridge of Doodads, eh? Bridge of Doodads. Oh, yeah.
Are we walking that way then?
Yes.
Right, let's walk this way.
That I get, but at least there'll be something. Yeah, that's not the bridge I was thinking of.
Isn't it?
No.
Well, it must be the other
That's
one
a
down
nice
the other
bridge.
side then. You can't get in.
Want me to take your lady a picture? Even better, I think.
Better. There you go. We've actually got the bridge of size
Yeah, we
in
found
the
it.
picture. So we found it. Yeah. Not overly inspiring, but there you go. That's it.
It's to do with prisoner Sion, as they went over to go to prison when they've been convicted of a crime.
Oh right, is that what it's about?
That's what it said on the literature.
That's it, up there.
Yeah, can't get to it.
Well, we can't.
We
actually.
haven't found a way.
Well, no, unless you're going to kill somebody, and then I suppose you've got a chance of
Yeah, getting convicted in Sion.
as you go over.
Yeah,
So yeah,
that's where it is.
that's why all those people, as you can see, are stood on that bridge, taking selfies with the bridge of size in the background.
Yeah.
And there you go. You've got a gondola there, going underneath the bridge of size. Isn't
Just
it?
one corner down.
Give it to me
Delicious ice cream.
from Paul's Ice Cream.
Yeah.
Walls, sausages. Rara sausages. So there you go, bridge of size.
Yeah, that's being stupid.
Yeah, never mind. That's something we're good at.
More bridges
We'll
that
go
way,
that
which
well.
looks quite pretty.
Yeah. So,
More gondolas.
God, flipping how smooth that is, where the
yeah.
people have stood.
Yeah,
Rub,
rub their hands over it for so many years. That's really lovely.
lady up there getting a selfie, look, taking a picture.
Yeah.
Look, up there in the room.
Yeah.
So there you go.
So we found it, and we're going to
And
carry
they
on
are
travelling.
very, very posh gondolas.
They are. They're
aren't
very
they?
nice. Yes.
But mind you, if you're going to charge €100 for half an hour, they bloody ought to be, didn't they?